Namaste parents. Hi dear children. Welcome back to language class. In today's language class, we shall work with the language workbook. In the language workbook, open page number 100 where we have a continued part of the concept action words are verb. We have a crossword to solve here. By looking at the picture and by taking the hints given here, we can solve the crossword. Bite, wipe, speak, leak, land, dive, skip, ride, hear, hose, show and move. By looking at the picture, we have to solve the crossword. Then we have few verbs to trace here, the ing form of verbs. The given verbs are doing, going, making, trying, cooking, cutting, fixing, keeping and talking. Then let us move on to page number 101 where we have review 7 of verbs. Write the appropriate form of the verbs given. Cook, cooking, cooked. Play, playing, played. Mohan likes to paint. Yesterday, Mohan painted a wall. Write the verbs indicated in the picture. By looking at the picture, we have to write the verbs. Yarn, juggle, trim, read, crawl and dance. Page number 100 and 101 has been taught and the work has been completed in the class itself. Then we have an assignment in language practice book. In language practice book, open page number 52 where we have to write the verbs as instructed. Write 3 verbs that indicate what you can do with your legs. We can walk, run and hop with our legs. Write 3 verbs that indicate what you can do with your mouth. We can eat, talk and smile with our mouth. Write 3 verbs that indicate animal movements. Run, walk and hop. Write 3 verbs that indicate animal sounds. Roar, hiss and grunt. Write 3 verbs that show what our senses do. Smell, taste and hear. Then we have an activity to see the picture and write a sentence in each row. You can see a boy is writing something. Ram is writing his homework. You can see a kennel, dog and a puppy. The dog is barking, the puppy is in the kennel. Now let us move on to page number 53 where we have to write the appropriate form of the verbs below. Here we have a set of verbs. We have to choose the appropriate one for each blank. I eat an apple every day. The baby is crying. Asha read books. The artist is drawing a mountain. Amy is buying vegetables. Butterflies eat nectar. He was looking for his socks. The dog chased the birds. We were swimming in the pool. The child is building sand castles. Then we have 3 words to unscramble and write. They are think, shout and reach. Dear parents, kindly go through the video to help your child to understand the concept and also to complete the given assignment in page number 52 and 53 in language practice book. Thank you.